Now we continue talk about the OPC and the communication between Intouch and Siemens step 7. First, Intouch, we make this the tank. Okay, we should access name is OPC. We can add is OPC application name okay, sorry, is tank name, copy. Okay, we should is access name is either OPC, is application name is subsystem topic name is added alignment is channel 1 device 1, double check. This chain topic name, so we use protocol DDE. Okay, so we already make, so we just cancel. Okay, close. Okay, so we make limit, we make a switch. Look at this one. For example, we make M1. Okay, you defined M1. Type memory IO December. So this was access name. We use OPC. Use. So that's why we save and save close. So this one is M1. So this one is I just make, we don't use this one. Cut. So we can tank wall. We should cell is brick cell. Is brick cell we can these components complete separate other place, other components. Okay, so we should use discrete. Is, for example, we use V3. Okay, define the V3 or this V3. The type we use IO. We use okay, save, close. So this one V1 V2 always same thing, this one. Okay, cut sensor. We use this one. This S1, S2. This V1, V2. First with brick cell. If you're not brick cell, Okay, discrete with field color is discrete, is blue, is choose on, is with 3. Yeah, hello. S3, for example. S3, S4. Okay, defined. Yeah, is type. Okay, OPC use S3, save, close. So S1, S2, all the same thing. So cut. Tank, all the same thing. Tank we use percent fill vehicle is T1. Is value maximum fill is 100. Okay. So we use Windows script. This is important. The onshore, we should always 0. Okay, this one is no work. We don't use this one. Onshore. Onshore with if M just switch is on and V2, this V2 is 0, then S2 is on, V1 is the on. So water go to the tank. So tank is level is up T1 plus equal T1 plus 5. If S1 equal 1 and S2 equal 1, just S1, S2 always on, its V1 is closed, its tank is almost full, so V2 is open, is water outlet go out. So tank level is go down, is T1 equal T1 minus 5. Okay. This Kepware service is make tiger. We can make tiger every time. Yeah, is make tiger, is make, is tiger number, is address, is this, for example, we make is M1 address. We can use I01. So this address is PLC address. That's it. Okay. That's all the link. Then OPC. This one always system. Oh, it's cool, yeah. It's very important. So go down. It's funny. So that's all this control level system. Okay. What I need to talk, everything is okay. Okay, thank you very much. This one is all the OPC, how to use OPC to communicate with the PLC program and the SCADA software. Okay, thank you.